am Sumalata, GMC High School, RP. If you like my videos, like it, share it and subscribe it. Today we are going to read the lesson C.V. Raman, the Pride of India.
On the busy Bahubali street in Calcutta, there was an old building. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement in one of its laboratories. Chandrasekhar Venkat Ramana was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a handman, K.S. Krishna, rushed in and announced Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. Raman was equally delighted. Excellent news, he said, smiling at the visitor, and then he was lost in thought. But look here, Krishnan, he said, turning to the headman, if this Compton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true of light too. A few years earlier, H. Compton had shown that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. The change was dependent on a kind of matter. This effect was called the Compton effect. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? That was the question the Raman asked himself. For 5 years he had been doing research in optics, the science of light. No sophisticated equipment was available in his laboratory, but Raman was confident that he could find the answer with some modifications in his equipment. 4 months later, on March 16, 1928, Raman announced his discovery of new radiation, describing the behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical to an assembly of scientists here at Bengaluru, now called Bengaluru. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect for scientific research in this country. It was a red letter there. His discovery caught the attention of the world with equipment was hardly orange 200 rupees and limited facilities. Raman was able to make a discovery which won him the Nobel Prize in physics in 1930. Raman was born on November 7th, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a college physics teacher. He was a brilliant student right from the start. When Raman passed his matriculation, his parents were he sent him abroad for higher students, but on medical grounds, a British surgeon advised them against, and Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course at Presidency College in Madras, Chennai.
Already made an impression on him and he began to write a research paper of science
for science journals.
When he was only 19. He became a member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science.
Stop. So you should stop there. Meanwhile,
respecting his parents' wishes to look up an administrative job in the finance minister in Calcutta. His interest in science.
However,
he used to spend his
Throughout the night. Very good.
In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics, the science of sound. He studied how stringed instruments like
Stringed instruments.
stringed instruments like the violin and the sitar could produce harmonious music. He was elected.
Music. Music off akkada. You should stop there.
Music. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924, and the British government made him a Knight of the British Empire in 1929. It was a high honor for any great scientist. His advice to young scientists was to look at the world and around them and not to confine themselves to their laboratories. The essence of science, he said, is independent thinking and hard work, not equipment. C.V. Raman was the first Indian scholar who studied Holi in India and received the Nobel Prize. He was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such a great award in science. He passed away in 1970 on November 21, but his memories are with us. February 28, the day on which is discovered the Raman effect, is celebrated as National Science Day to commemorate his remarkable achievement in science.
What was the busy street? Bow Bazaar Street. What was the busy street? Bow Bazaar Street. Where was it? In Calcutta. What was the big building? What was the big building? It was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. The Nobel Prize. Who won the Nobel Prize? Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. Who rushed in and announced that Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize? K.S. Krishnan. Very good. When was the excitement in the laboratories? When was the excitement in the laboratories? When? In December. Very good. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement in one of its laboratories. Compton effect is true of X-rays. It must be true of light too. It is true of X-rays and it must be true of light too. What did A.H. Compton show? About the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. A.H. Compton has shown that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. Very good. On which the change was dependent? On which the change was dependent? On which the change was dependent? Ekadamma? On which the change was dependent? Chudandi. On which the change was dependent? On the kind of matter. What was the name of this effect? What was the name of this effect? Compton effect. What was the question Raman asked himself? What was the question Raman asked himself? Could light also change its nature when passed through A transparent medium. Okay. Which question Raman asked himself? Could light also change its future? Okay, very good. When passed through a transparent medium. Very good. For next question, for how many? మీరు ఇలా మాట్లాడొద్దని For how many years he had been doing the research? For 5 years. Very good. In which he did the research? In which he did the research? Very good. In optics, the science of light. How many months he took for discovery?
16 months.
How many months he took for discovery? 4 months. Very good. When did he announce his discovery? On March 16, 1928. Very good. What is his discovery? What is his discovery? Very good. New radiation describing the behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical. Very good. What did the world hail the discovery? As the Raman effect. How was the discovery's effect? How was the discovery's effect? It caught How was the discovery's effect? It caught the attention of the world. It caught the attention of the world. Very good. Which make him win the Nobel Prize in 1930? Which make him win the Nobel Prize in 1930? Raman effect make him. Okay, Raman effect made him won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Okay. Next one. What was his father?
Physics teacher.
Very good. His father was a college physics teacher. Who were keen to send him abroad for higher studies? Who were keen to send him abroad for higher studies? Very good. His parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Who advised him against it? Who advised him against it? Who advised him against it? Very good. British surgeon. On medical grounds, a British surgeon advised him against it. Very good. Where did he do his MA course? Where did he do his MA course? Okay, very good. Very good. He did his MA course at Presidency College in Madras. అమ్మా చిన్న పొరపాటు వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ ఒక్క నిమిషం. వాట్ డిడ్ హీ డూ యాజ్ హీ వాజ్ ఇంప్రెస్డ్ యాజ్ హీ హ్యాస్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఇన్ సైన్స్? Very good. He began to write research papers for science journals. What did he become at the age of 19? Very good. He became the member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. In which subject he was mainly interested? He was mainly interested in acoustics, science of sound. Very good. What was great honor to a great scientist? What was great honor to a great scientist? Why? He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924 and the British government. Very good. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924 and the British government made him a Knight of the British Empire in 1929. It was a great honor to a great scientist. Okay, very good. What is his advice to youth? He advised to young scientists was not to confine themselves to the laboratories. The essence of science is independent thinking, hard work, and not equipment. Very good. Who was the Indian scholar received the Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman. Very good. C.V. Raman. Next question. When did he discover Raman effect? When did he discover Raman effect? When did he discover Raman effect? February 28th. Very good, very good. How was February 28th celebrated? National Science Day. National Science Day. What did he discover? Raman effect. Very, very good. Okay, today it is enough.